unloading product from a 407 stainless steel tanker. Each year, there are more than 13,000 hazmat incidences. In this segment, we're going to review the proper way to unload a 407 stainless steel tanker. It's very important to use extreme caution when working around chemicals, but when done properly, unloading can be done without incident. Let's get going.
The robo pump is the pump on the side of the tractor that moves product from your trailer to the customer's tank. Now, our driver will demonstrate how to operate a roper pump. The first step is to engage the PTO. This is done from inside the cab. Next, our driver will attach the hose that will feed the pump with the product. Check the gasket before you hook up the transfer line. Be sure to use a type of method to lock down the cam locks. Next, our driver will attach the hose that will feed the pump with the product. Be sure to use a type of method to lock the cam locks down. Here, our driver is using safety pins. Next, attach the discharge line to the pump, again, locking the cam locks down. Now attach the other end to the receiving tank. For demonstration purposes, we're using this steel plate. Locking those cam locks down also. Start with the receiving tank first. Open the valve at the receiving tank, which is the customer's tank. For demonstration purposes, since recording inside of a real customer is prohibited, we are showing a simulation. Now open the internal valve at your trailer. Now open the external valve, but only a few turns. You now have product flowing in the transfer lines. Check around the fittings at the trailer to ensure there are no leaks. Then check the line, then walk the line back to the pump, checking for leaks. Check around the pump to be sure that there is no product leaking from the fittings. Follow the line to the receiving tank, checking for leaks, then around the fittings of the receiving tank. When you are sure there are no leaks, then go ahead and open the external valve on your trailer. Then go ahead and engage the pump. When the pump is engaged, stay within 25 feet of the unloading device, keeping an unobstructed view of the unloading devices at all times. Watch for leaks that may develop. When your trailer is empty, your hose will still have product in the lines, so work with the customer on how to clear the lines. Each customer may have their own procedures. Airing off a 4077. Once you have positioned your trailer close to the receiving tank, this will minimize using multiple transfer lines. Go ahead and engage your PTO from the inside the cab. Use 3 points of contact and climb the ladder on the side of the trailer. Be sure air hose is connected to the Chicago fitting, and then open the ball valve attached to the Chicago fitting. Remember, when the handle is in line with the pipe, it is open. When the handle is across the pipe, it is closed. Now climb down off the trailer using 3 points of contact. 1 hand, 2 feet, or 2 hands and 1 foot. Now you can attach the air hose to the Chicago fitting on the trailer. Some trailers, this will be located on the front or rear fenders of the trailer. Or there could be a hose running down the side of the ladder. Now you can connect the other end to the compressor on the tractor. If the tractor is not equipped with the PTO operated compressor, then locate the Chicago fitting on the back of the tractor. The air source that supplies that fitting is coming from the engine compressor, the same one that operates your brakes. Once you have the air line connected now, it's time to attach the transfer line. Be sure to remove the cap by applying pressure, opening one cam lock, and listening for air pressure. Then release the other cam lock, still listening for air pressure, and then remove the bottom of the cap first as to direct any fluids into your 5-gallon bucket. Before you attach the bleeder valve to your trailer, check to be sure that the gasket is okay. It's not damaged and it is in place. Be sure to attach your bleeder valve first to the discharge tube on the trailer. Then, attach the transfer line to the bleeder valve and be sure to lock down the cam locks. Go ahead and attach the other end to the customer's discharge fitting. Be sure to lock down the cam locks again. For demonstration purposes, we are using our trailer as the customer. When the transfer line is secure at both ends and all cam locks are locked down, it's now safe to go ahead and open the receiving tank first. Then open your internal valve by using the pump jack. Now open the external valve by turning the handle counterclockwise, only opening the external valve halfway. Check for leaks around your fitting, then walk the line back to the customer, checking for leaks. Check for leaks around the customer's fitting. When you are sure there are no leaks and the transfer line is secure, it's now safe to start pressurizing the trailer. Once there are no leaks, go ahead and open the external valve all the way. If your tractor is equipped with a PTO compressor, then go ahead and open the ball valve at the compressor, then engage your compressor. Make sure that the ball valve on the trailer airline is open. If your tractor does not have a PTO compressor, open the ball valve connected to the Chicago fitting on the back of the trailer. Your trailer will stop pressurizing. Your trailer will now stop pressurizing. As the pressure builds up, watch for leaks to develop. Stand on the inside of the transfer line or in a safe place as to not expose yourself to any liquids that may spray from a leak. This completes the procedure for airing off a DOT 407 stainless steel trailer. Once your unloading process is completed, be sure to close all valves. Relieve the pressure from the lines with your bleeder valve. Put all hoses away and secure them on your trailer. Then relieve the pressure from your trailer before driving away.